Alright, so we update 2023 on this beautiful lift. It's so nice. It's got even worse. The door doesn't even open anymore. Been to wait a billion years. Sometimes it's the clothes that you don't want to do it all. There we go. This thing is stuffed. This thing will be gone next time I come for sure. No way this is going to last any longer. This thing is actually stuffed. Let's say replace the door operator, but I can't see that happening really. And as you can see in this floor it's even worse. It just stops working completely. Oh, so let's try again. I wonder what it's like on one. Not even worse on one. It's unlocked, we can try. Oh, actually it levels pretty fast. Hey, it runs okay, but the doors itself aren't horrible. Just save some time by pushing the door. There you go, and close. Being near the ocean is not very kind to door operators, is it? I was trying to look at a door operator to see how bad it looks. It was not this bad last time. Okay, that side works perfectly fine. Apparently that was the main door. Yeah, this thing's stuffed. Unless Otis somehow makes this better, but this actually breaks safety if I remember correctly. It does. That door is actually stuffed. There you go.